guys, and welcome back to another video. So I've been doing these 2-minute videos for the past weeks and I actually like them. It feels like so free for me to just sit there, play with makeup without actually talking, because sometimes when I'm in my creative mood, I don't really feel like talking through the whole thing. So today I'm actually going to do a little challenge. I am going to do a crazy makeup. I'm going to glue rhinestones to my whole face basically. And I'm going to film it. And I'm going to try talking at the same time. I'm not sure about how this is going to go, but I'm very excited about it. And what do you guys think about my 2-minute videos? Do you like them? Do you feel like, okay, it's going too fast? I know that sometimes the text is going a little bit too fast. Maybe I'm gonna, do them 3-minute makeup videos instead of 2, because 2 is kind of little. This is going to be a very, very long video. Okay, I have to start somewhere. I need scissors. So I pretty recently got back from my vacation and I have gotten so much new inspiration, and I am like, I feel like I want to create. I feel like I want to do so many things, and I am like so happy to be back, and feels like I have so much energy to like I just want to create now. I'm gonna start with like placing some kind of flower. So I'm gonna destroy my flower crowns here. So I wonder if maybe I should put on a wig cap for this. Wig caps are the best for makeup application if you don't want to have like makeup in your hair. I love it. I usually walk around with these at home because I feel like it's very, very nice to just have the hair out of your face. And maybe I'm going to powder my face a little bit before to get it a little bit dry, because right now I only have moisturizer on and nothing else. So I don't want it to be oily or moisturized in any way. I want it to be quite dry. So I'm gonna put it there. There's a good spot. I want another one like here. Okay, so I am using regular eyelash glue to attach everything to my face. I'm actually going to put something inside, like a little rhinestone or something. I'm gonna put one in here too. Okay, let's start applying all of these rhinestones. Wish me luck. Usually when I do these kinds of looks, I don't really have an idea. I start somewhere. I like to just have some kind of first thought, like for this look it was the flowers, like, or just put the rhinestones in your entire face and see how it turns out. And I like that because art has no rules and makeup has no rules because it's art. So I really like that, because you can create whatever you like and there are no rights and no wrongs. So I don't really think, usually I think about like shapes and stuff. If my face or if something has a specific shape, I usually think about that, because I feel like so many things looks better if you are following the shape of your own face, for example. Gluing my eyebrow, I'm scared. You know the creative process, that you have an idea that you think is so good and you feel like, wow, this is gonna turn out so great, and then everything you fuck up everything, and then all of a sudden you feel like, okay, this may turn out good, and then again you feel like, okay, this is not gonna go great, and then in the end it's like, wow, okay, This turned out pretty great anyway. I think every artist is like that. I am going to have so much glue in my face. This is not gonna be fun to remove. Actually, maybe I should film when I remove it as well. I need more flowers. I really wonder how this is gonna look like in the end. I often get many questions about how do you feel when you remove all of this. It's kind of sad to remove a makeup like, oh, sorry. It's kind of sad to remove a makeup like this because it takes so much time to actually create it. But the thing is that when I take it off, I have taken pictures of it, I have created memories, and I feel like it's fine. And the thing is that you don't really know when to stop when you do something like this. You have no idea. You feel like, I can stop now, I can be ready now, but I don't want to be ready. I just want to keep doing this. I am going to do soap brows or soap brow on this brow here because I feel like that is going to fit this look the absolute best. And I am using a soap from Muji that is transparent but a little bit of orange, and it works very good. I want them to be very fluffy. I feel like I want to keep a very naked face to this look. Okay, so I'm gonna cover up a little bit of redness. Think I'm gonna wear NYX Professional Makeup, bear with me, foundation in shade True Beige Buff. And why I didn't do this before is because if I glue on foundation, the glue won't last as long. I feel like I want to have dark lips. This is Natasha Denona Mark Your Lips Matte in the shade Monatomic, I think you say. It's very deep purple. And on top of this, I will apply Linda Hallberg Cosmetics Fantastick Lipstick in Ametrine. Let's add some highlight. Sometimes I wonder what the mailman say if they see, if I open the door and they see me like this. I wonder if they like, oh my god, this is cool, or if they will be scared. Okay guys, I am going to decide on what I am going to wear with this. If I'm gonna wear some kind of dress or necklace or something on my head, I have no idea yet. So stay tuned and I'll be back in a minute, a second. So I got a really good idea. I'm going to use the rest of the flower crown that I used and actually just put it on my head. And also I removed my t-shirt because I didn't feel like it fit the theme. Can I? So I'm gonna cover myself up in infinity glass for some shine. So what I'm gonna do now is basically to take pictures of this look. I'm gonna do it in my studio, and then I will, together with you guys, remove this thing again. So see you in a couple of hours for my part, but just a second for your part, because I'm gonna use the same camera. Okay, so I am back. I have taken pictures of this entire look, and now I'm gonna remove it. It's kind of itchy already, and what I'm gonna do now is to take piece by piece back and put it back into the little jar, starting with the big one. This is a look as well. I actually love when you make a look and when you remove half of it and it looks better than the first look. I'm like waxing my eyebrows. Something is happening back there with the lamp. Oh, okay. The worst part is not over, guys. The worst part is to remove all the glue in my face. My face is kind of clean and smooth again. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video with me doing a very editorial makeup and then removing it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video, and I'll see you again next week. Bye guys!